This video is for building hand strength. It is one video in a large playlist that is full of different activities and toys that you can use that are very helpful for hand strength development. So please click through the playlist to see what appeals to you and your child. Now, one really fun and easy and possibly helpful hand strength type of activity you can build in to your routine on a daily basis is recycling. If you have papers, if you have cardboard boxes, cereal boxes, for example, that you are getting rid of, having your child tear paper, having your child tear up cereal boxes or other types of boxes and packaging for preparation for recycling is a really great hand strength activity. So tearing paper, again, tearing resistive cardboard boxes is a great type of hand strength activity and one that you can build in to a weekly routine. So you might assign this as a recycle job, have your child do the job, give them enough so that they are working for about 15 to 20 minutes. And because it's in the job category, you could even give some type of an allowance or reward. So it's a great hand strength activity. It's also a great activity for building in a little job. And hopefully it's something that you can do on a weekly basis, if not more times throughout the week. So give this one a try. It's really excellent.